Did you ask DataTalk a question and either got no results or results that didn't quite match what you wanted? Let's find out why this can happen and how you can help DataTalk respond more accurately. Here we're working with the Northwind demo application, which manages customers, orders, and deliveries. Suppose I want to know which shipping company handles the most shipments in the United States? I'll then click Get Answer. DataTalk returned no results. Instead, it displayed the SQL query it tried to run, along with this message: no results found. Please try rephrasing the question or adding a hint on which tables and/or fields to use. Let's examine the SQL query that was generated to understand what went wrong. In this query, DataTalk is trying to count the number of orders per shipping company, filtering by orders where the ship country is the United States. But here's the catch. The field ship country in the orders table is actually a lookup field. That means it references another table to get the actual country name. Let's switch to AppGini and review our database structure to see this in action. First, let's expand the orders table and find the ship country field. As you can see, this is a lookup field referencing the customers table for the country name. If we check the customers table, we'll see it contains a country field with the real country names. So, to get the correct results, we need to tell DataTalk to use the customers table for the country name, not the orders table. Let's add this hint to our question. Hint: don't use orders.shipCountry, but obtain the customer's country instead. Don't worry about the exact wording. As long as your hint is clear, DataTalk will understand. Let's try the question again, this time with the hint. And there we have it. DataTalk now returns the shipper's name and the number of shipments. If we click the SQL query button, we'll see that DataTalk generated a new query that joins the orders and customers tables. And it's now filtering using the customers.country field instead of orders.shipCountry. This query gives us the correct results. So next time you get no results or unexpected answers from DataTalk, take a look at the SQL query it generated. See if you can spot any missing joins or incorrect fields, and then provide a clear hint about what DataTalk should do differently. It's a bit like being a clue detective, and it helps DataTalk help you.